Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a yogurt recipe using this newly available Sugar Shift Starter Culture by Biotiquest. The original Sugar Shift probiotic was created to target the way that the body metabolizes sugars. The formula converts excess sugars into mannitol, which the human body naturally eliminates. Converting these sugars reestablishes harmony in the gut and helps to speed up sugar metabolism. Whether you're struggling with a specific health concern or you simply want to feel your best, then Sugar Shift Probiotic Yogurt can help with reducing inflammation and other complications by altering sugar metabolism, improving bowel regularity, decreasing sugar and carb cravings, often leading to weight loss, boosting energy and lessening fatigue, restoring overall digestive health, and improving glucose metabolism by reducing levels of blood glucose. The Sugar Shift culture contains a well-balanced and very specific community of bacteria, including L. reuteri, which is the one that Dr. Davis highly recommends for improving gut health. So let's get straight into it. The first thing that you need to do every time that you make your own yogurt is to sterilize all of your equipment. That includes your yogurt jar, your whisk, and your pot. Then we're simply going to bring 2 liters of full cream milk up to temperature. We want to hit 82 degrees or 180 Fahrenheit and hold it at that temperature for 10 to 20 minutes. Gently heat the milk and continue to whisk it throughout the heating to prevent it sticking to the bottom. Once it reaches 82 degrees Celsius or 180 Fahrenheit, then try and hold it at around that temperature for 10 to 20 minutes. Then take it off the heat and allow it to cool right down to below 42 degrees Celsius or 107 Fahrenheit. Once the milk has cooled right down, then pour it straight into the glass yogurt making jar and add 1 scoop of the Sugar Shift Starter Culture. Whisk it thoroughly and then replace the lid for the yogurt jar. Fill up the water bath to the tall line indicator, replace the lid and then punch in the settings. Select 36 degrees Celsius for the temperature and 36 hours for the time. Press confirm to begin incubation. Once the 36 hours is up, place the yogurt into the fridge to chill and set for at least 6 hours or overnight. So here's our 36-hour Sugar Shift cultured yogurt. It's super thick and creamy, and because it's been fermenting at a low temperature for so long, I know that this is really loaded with some good stuff. You can pick up the Sugar Shift Starter Culture for yourself on our website now to try for yourself at home. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele life recipes. And if you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us, and we'll be back really soon with another recipe.